we go. We'll wait for the... Alright. This weekend, I guess it's my turn to cook. Yet not on the barbecue. I went out and got some rhubarb. As you see, a lot of it. So I got some pie dishes here. Had to buy a couple new ones. So we're looking at about 4 pies. Possibly some bread and muffins. Who knows? I gotta see. I'm gonna start with the pies, see what I got left as far as rhubarb. First thing is I gotta get this chopped up. So let's get that down and move on. Alright, rinsing out that rhubarb. Quite a pile, I must admit. So we'll get it in the roasting pan. I'll fill that up pretty good, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do with it. A lot of the recipes I looked up mentioned 3/4 of an inch cut. So I went half, 5/8, 3/4 to an inch, as you can see. Alright, well, let's get them rinsed up and let's move on. Okay, got the rhubarb in the fridge. Ready to start my 5 crust mixture. I got 1 2/3 cups of lard. I have a slightly beaten egg with a tablespoon of distilled vinegar. 4 cups of flour. So I'm going to cut this lard in there and I'm going to get my crust going for the rhubarb pie. See you soon. Alright, here's the end result. About 7 hours of baking. I got 4 pies, rhubarb pies. As you see, I started with the lettuce and then I did 2 crumbles and then 1 full top. I did some cornbread and diced up rhubarb to put in those. It's been a tough day. I'm gonna admit one thing. Out of these 3 pies, I forgot the salt. It was minimal, so I'm not sure. I have to taste them. This full top, I added the salt. So, although a little blonde comparatively, looks pretty good, man. All rhubarb from the cuts I got earlier, I showed. So, 4 pies, and I don't know, some cornbread. Tomorrow I'm gonna make some bread with the rhubarb. So, there you go. It's my Saturday.
Hi.
Net says hi.